So friends, the onus of choosing good leaders lies upon us, and there is no dearth of good people. So choosing Nota is not only indecisive but also unproductive. A very good evening to everyone. Honorable officiating principal sir, registrar sir, senior master sir, worthy members of the jury, respected teachers, dear participants and my dear friends. Today it's our cadet Sudhakar 4357 from Rashtrakuta House going to speak against the motion stating that Nota will not bring any startling result in the Indian electoral system. Friends, does the provision of Nota respect the democratic values? Yes, it does. Friends, is it giving us the right to express well? Yes, it is. But will it bring any startling result in the Indian electoral system? Then I say a big no. Surprise? Then let us analyze why so. Friends, elections are the instruments of democracy. It is the process in which people vote to choose good leaders. Our Honorable Supreme Court of India had three advantages while recommending Nota for the nation. The first one being empowerment of voters. In a constituency, if 99 out of 100 votes go for Nota and a single vote goes for a candidate, then he is deemed victorious. Here, that one vote proved to be more efficient than 99. Is this empowerment of voters? It's unfathomable to see my opponents supporting this open murder of democracy and violation of right to equality. Nota was intended to increase the voters' turnout. And yes, in this election we registered the highest 66.4% of voters' turnout. But Nota secured only 1.1% of voters' turnout, and this shows, for the kind information of the fifth speaker, that the credit of this highest voters' turnout cannot be given to Nota. Rather, people are fed up with the previous government and they wanted a change at the center. So, statistics clearly show that Nota failed to make any impact. And the third advantage was supposed to be political parties being forced to present clean leaders. But it is pitiful that in this very election, the elected MPs, among them 200 and above MPs, still have pending criminal cases in courts. So, dear opponents, did your Nota stop political parties from contesting those participants in elections? So, with this, all the motives of Supreme Court are completely smashed. Friends, it is wise to learn from others' mistakes. So, many countries have introduced Nota before, but they had cancelled it later because it was ineffective. So, Nota is a dead missile which cannot make any change in the election results. And it is also not right to reject, because according to right to reject, if Nota gets majority, then re-election should be held, but it does not happen. It cannot be a motivating factor, because if re-elections are not conducted, then it cannot be a democracy and it is not equality for all. So friends, the votes under Nota are invalid, and if my opponents claim that it is right to reject, then they are cheating us all in disguise. Friends, I am not here to blame Nota or oppose Nota completely, but I believe that Supreme Court could have given some other decisions which are really more effective. Like, Supreme Court could have banned the candidates who have any pending or any proven criminal cases in their records. So with this, no voter will be at the mercy of political parties, and they can choose the best among the clean candidates and make our nation a superpower. The apex court, when it can think of giving right to reject, then why not the right to recall? When we can reject a candidate in election, then we should also have the right to recall the elected person if it does not perform well in the given period of time. This will also make us a true democracy. Moreover, these changes will bring out all the changes, all the developments which Supreme Court intended to bring out through this blunderous Nota option. Thus, to put everything into a nutshell, I would like to say that presently those people who vote for Nota are as good as people not voting. Friends, changes should not be made just for the heck of it. They should be powerful and they should be effective. So I am quite hopeful that this new government will bring out good changes, or they can empower the Nota so that the dwindling fame of our nation, our motherland, rises to the pinnacle. Thank you. Ajit hai, Amit hai.